Allteck was approached by one of our long-term customers to do a marker ball replacement project. They have about 100 to 107 marker balls depending on the condition of them, where we're going to install new ones, put new ones in existing locations, and do a further inspection on another 90 plus marker balls. Now we're working on an Energized 230 kV line. It's AC voltage. We're doing barehand techniques. We've partnered with
Blackcomb Helicopters,
with the support of Quanta Aviation as well as Quanta Energized services to find a safe and reliable solution to the work.
For this project, Allteck and Blackcomb have chosen to use the Bell 212. This particular one comes with the DF engines.
We're using a winch work method because we're doing prolonged hoists in one place. Decided to put another pilot in the aircraft as well that can help operate radios and just be another set of eyes when you're focused on the hovering for so long. And then we have a hoist operator in the back who's controlling the hoist. They're looking down at the linemen, trying to get them into the most ideal work position. So the hoist operator can control the up and down, and then the lateral movement of the aircraft is really controlled by the pilot. So there's a ton of teamwork there that's required to get the aircraft in the right place.